Want to free up space on your Mac? Here are some tips for making the most of your storage in macOS. We'll show you how to use the built-in storage management recommendations and how to free up space manually. First, let's see how to free up space using the built-in storage management recommendations. Click the Apple menu in the upper left corner of your screen. Then click System Settings. Click General and click Storage. This might take a moment or two to load. Recommendations are storage management suggestions based on how much storage you have and which types of files are using the most space. These recommendations might be different depending on your current settings. When you turn on Store in iCloud, all files from your desktop and Documents folder will be stored in iCloud Drive, and only recently opened files will stay on your Mac. You can download original files when you're connected to the internet. When you turn on Optimize Storage, media files using a large amount of space that you don't need anymore are automatically removed, like TV shows and movies purchased from the iTunes store that you've already watched. You can download these again at any time. When you turn on Empty Trash automatically, files you've moved to the trash will be permanently deleted after 30 days. You can also free up space manually. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Your files, folders, photos, and apps are listed by size, and the storage amount is displayed next to each category. We're going to review our app list. Click the information button next to a category and select what you'd like to delete. For example, we're going to delete this Maxon Cinema 4D. Click Delete when you're ready and follow the prompts. You can also move large files to an external hard drive or delete files manually from the Finder if you still need ideas to create more space. Click Done when you're finished. And those are just a few ways to get started with freeing up space on your Mac. Time to get organized. Want to learn more about your Mac? Subscribe to the AIM Apple YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching. Thank you.